Hello everyone.
We are at Morjim beach for
Surfing today.
Surfing, yeah.
Surf session.
Goa.
There is a big problem.
గోవాలో నేను నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలిసి చేసిన ఫన్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చూడండి. అండ్
He's also my English teacher. There.
Okay.
At first I was like, oh. I don't know the word for this. The lesson we have to find the word. So the and we hope we're gonna have a very, very good one. Please pray for us.
For inner healing. Let's go. మనం ఈరోజు అక్టోబర్ సర్ఫ్ స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము విత్ జోయి.
Hello. Greeting from France. How are you guys?
They are always fine.
I'm fine too because we have the sun, we have the sea,
Yeah,
so we cannot be happy.
we can be happy.
We cannot. Oh yes, shit.
Yeah, we are happy.
We cannot be not happy.
Yes,
When I
we cannot be sad.
Yes, I prefer like this. He's also my English teacher.
Thanks. This is the view.
Big shake and cottage. Menu.
Men. So surfing అదంతా నేను చేయను, నేను జస్ట్ చూడడానికి. I just came for see what Zoe do.
I have to solve my basics again
Okay.
because I was thinking that I still have my skills, but
We need to work on
no,
it.
actually that's not the case.
Okay. No coach for Zoe. She is a pro surfer.
Beginner processor.
Beginner professional.
Yeah. It's like not beginner,
Okay.
not intermediate too,
Okay.
not professional, but like
Complicated.
mid-center, intermediate, and beginner. But in 1 week, you will see. Next week, backflip on the board.
Backflip.
I can do it in the sea.
Okay.
Maybe one day on the board. I will try.
Today. You should try it today.
Yeah.
Yes. Is the waves, the current is nice for you? Is like waves are nice?
It's like 1 hour ago, they were very, 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 very. But now they look, you see like the small.
Oh.
But it's good.
Okay.
For my level is good.
How did she go? Your
Ryan Little.
the class. అక్కడ మొత్తం ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఏం చేయాలి, సర్ఫ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అది మొత్తం చెప్తున్నారు. ఇది సర్ఫ్ చేసి వస్తున్నారు. సో sunscreen. Sunscreen.
Because my skin is too sensitive.
Yeah. Surfing. ఇక్కడ ఆంటీ అమ్ముతున్నారు. You did your warm up.
Yeah, always. I don't want to. Not now, please. I'm too
Okay.
young. Especially like your hair. Yeah, I'm going to see, okay?
You're going to surf? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go now.
Yeah. Zoe వెళ్తుంది.
What time is it?
ఇదిగో.
Okay.
Okay. You will be how many hours in there?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
So in 1 hour, 10,
Okay, see.
come here.
Okay, sure. ఒక 1 hour 10 minutes కి మనం జోయిన్ పిలుద్దాం. ఇదే ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ అవుతుంది. So,
you get your hands back and it more in towards your body. It goes there. Up. Look up. Exactly. Lie down again. And you see what happened right now. This is what is happening with you also sometimes.
she's there, she's surfing. The kids are also doing it. Yeah. See that. This is Goa. We are at peak tip of Morjim beach. The shafts are getting ready here. For the coming season. Wait. Yeah. Oh. How is you?
Shit, but finally I'm not really a shit.
What's the overall experience today?
Very good.
Very
Better, yeah, better than yesterday because I come back to my basics
Okay.
and I work on my balance. I
Okay.
work on my pop-up also. I have to remember always take your time.
Yeah,
Step by
take time.
It's
So-
definitely the lessons of the day. Take your time. So it was perfect. I'm very happy. And now shower because I'm.
Yeah, come there. Yeah. Akka board betti shower తీసుకోవాలి. I was waiting for you. When you will be coming back? And it's almost you crossed 1 hour and then.
You call me?
Yeah.
You call me?
Yeah, I called several times. So everybody was like, she was like, this fellow is calling and she's not even caring.
So now they're gonna show me like this is because of her. That's
Have a bath. Oh. Okay. You just do bath like as we go for swimming and all.
Huh?
After swim, we do bath.
You bath?
Yeah, shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you have salt.
Yes.
on your
Okay.
body, so you can put off the salt.
Okay. So after this, she's having bath.
I get beaten by a hand.
You got beaten by
By ants.
ants?
Yeah.
Where?
Was it in my shirt?
Shirt.
Yeah.
It's no light. Yeah.
There. And their arms.
Oh, okay. You didn't.
I don't even know that ants can beat. It was inside.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
felt I was like, oh.
Then after. So
It's the second lesson of the day. You have to
okay. The one lesson is slow down, and the other lesson is
always do.
yeah.
I don't know the word for this.
Even I don't know. You should.
Okay, so third lesson we have to find the word.
Third lesson. What's that? What are you doing there?
Because there is salt
Okay.
and on the tissue is not good.
Okay. We'll do one photo shoot right back after washing. We'll do one. No. You just stand with the board. అయిపోయింది సర్ఫింగ్ అయిపోయింది ఓవర్ సర్ఫింగ్ ఇన్ మోర్జిమ్లో ఆక్టోబస్ సర్ఫింగ్ దగ్గర మీరు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు ఎనీ టైమ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ విత్ దెమ్ వాళ్ళకి కాల్ చేసి కానీ మెసేజ్ చేసి కానీ మీరు సర్ఫింగ్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. చూడ్డానికే చాలా బాగుంది, చేస్తే ఇంకెట్లుంటుందో. అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఫర్ నో మెలడీ వ్లాగ్స్. జస్ట్ గివ్ యువర్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ టువర్డ్స్ మై ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఏదైనా పర్లేదు, మీరు నాకు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇవ్వండి. డెఫినెట్లీ నేను దాన్ని ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఓకే, గోవా బనానా చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఇది తొందరగా బయట ఫ్రై అయిపోతుంది.
They call it banana plantain.
బ్రౌన్ పాంతా.
They cut it like this,
ఓకే.
and they put it in the oil.
Ah.
It's like banana fries.
Banana fries. Okay. The sweet banana one.
With this kind of
With the sweet banana, they have fries.
You eat it with ketchup.
Okay.
So good.
With the Nutella. No, only ketchup.
You can do the both,
Okay.
but Nutella with oil,
Bro.
and after you like.
My viewers will love this. The boring. చూడండి ఇట్లా హట్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah. Veg breakfast, Indian breakfast, the breakfast. But maybe I want porridge or maybe I want eggs. The big problem in my life is that I cannot make decision.
Okay.
I cannot make it.
Maybe it's gonna take time. I'll go sit there.
It can. I don't know. There's a big problem. Is that really I cannot make decision in my life, guys. I don't know, and I think it's not that I don't know. It's more that I don't want to
You don't want to?
make choice. Yeah.
Okay.
He is a calisthenics professor, so he might like.
I know you do. Oh yeah, you're already there. Okay. Okay. What are you going to do? Is it going? What's happening? Okay.
My favorite.
You're gonna flip.
Ready?
Ready. Okay. The lamp. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Oh, go okay.
No way.
Great.
Picture.
Yeah.
Oh no! I
This one, no. You should do it. Oh.
Damn, Zoe. What? No way. Okay, on here.
Here, you do it here. Yes.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait. There we go. See, that's some fun shit you can bring me up on.
So they're holding a table. This is very interesting thing. Oh my God! Have you ever seen a flying table?
Say
No, you never.
like that.
Okay, you better send that video.
I'll definitely do that. The crazy.
Dude, the other day I fell down so badly.
Huh?
We were in the park. There was a drop.
He's from Goa. You're
There was like a
3 meters.
3 meter drop.
Drop.
Yeah. And it was right on the edge, and the distance that I had to put my feet was like this much. So
Okay.
we were balancing. I got up, put my feet in the air, and then two of my friends were down there. They're like, "What is this guy doing?"
Okay.
I'm just playing with my life.
You just
With the pain. There with the pain.
Yeah, you saw me like. They were super good.
Okay.
We meet always so many people, so many good persons.
People. Can I do it in my
Yeah.
ఓకే నేను జోయాని కలిసాను జోయాతో గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్
I understand everything.
ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్ ద హ్యాట్ ఇస్ a cute hat.
It's like a one-piece hat.
One piece hat.
I love this one. I really love this one. Yeah.
ఓకే
Yeah.
నేను జోయా కలిసి జోయాతో పాటు స్కూబా డైవింగ్ దిస్ ఈస్
No, surfing.
సర్ఫింగ్ యా
Yeah.
షీ డిడ్ సర్ఫింగ్ టుడే అండ్ ఈరోజు సర్ఫింగ్ సెషన్ అయితే క్రేజీ అసలు అమేజింగ్ ఉంది
It was a super day.
యా
Practically every wave, you will saw it. You will see.
Mojim beach, yes, this is a Mojim beach.
Yeah. Now we
So-
get it.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు నో మెలోడీ వ్లాగ్స్. మీరు ఏ వీడియో మిస్ అవ్వకూడదు, నా ప్రతి ఒక్క వీడియో మీరు చూడాలి అనుకుంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాలి.